Hello guys, it's Rafa from Pokemon Kanto PSA 10 again. As you may know, my two favorite Pokemon are Bulbasaur and Gengar, so when I saw this, I just had to buy it. And a few days ago, I asked you on Instagram, should I open it or not, and 62% of you answered yes. So, let's go! So, this is a Pokeball. And this is absolutely awesome Bulbaboy. But that's not all, guys. A couple days ago, I ordered a first edition Hitmonlee, Kabutops, and this Dragonite. And the seller gave me my very first Sword and Shield booster. As you may know, I'm a first and second Pokemon generation guy, so this is my first time when I have something to do with Galar region, but let's check out what's inside. So, we have Chinchu, something, Galarian Zigzagoon, oh, cute snob, oh, Reverse Bird, Claydol, Energy, Raboot, it's a version of Scorbunny, Rare Candy, Lamberry, and Code. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon, guys. Bye!